another video. Today we're going to talk about day 9 and 10 together, because me being a lazy ass, I didn't record yesterday, but also me being a studious ass didn't record yesterday. Today I had my chemistry exam. Oh, and we also need to mention a big F up which I did in the last video. I was so much, messed up in my head that day that I told you guys today, as in today, I have my physics exam. But no, I had my chemistry exam today. Yeah, so thank you so much for all the people who wished me for physics exam. But today was my chemistry, and you can probably tell that it went really nice. I just calculated some stuff, and I was actually expecting more than what I'm getting, but I guess this is what I'm getting now. I was expecting around 63, 64 out of 70, but it's calculated to be now 61, and for some of you it might not be good, but that's how much I studied, so I'm satisfied with 61 out of 70. And the paper was also quite nice actually. There are some questions which I don't think are there in NCERT. Like number one, they asked us, why is ethanol used in chloroform bottles, like when storing chloroform? And I don't really know. NCERT only mentions about how the bottles in which chloroform is stored are dark and how they are completely filled because no air can react with them. I don't know where does ethanol plays a role over here. So if I get a mark in that, I might get 62 out of 70. Okay, and there was another question. It was beta elimination reaction, and I thought a lot in that question. I shouldn't have, and I just should have done what was quite obvious. But I really want you guys to try this one. You have to do dehydrohalogenation of the compound 2,2,3 trimethyl 3-bromopentane. So let me know if you guys can do that one. I'll see. You guys put your answers in the comments below, and I'll tell you guys tomorrow what the answer was. And again, as usual, I'll post my paper in the community tab only, because I post it on Twitter, but not many people follow me on the Twitter. So yeah, you can check from the community tab. Otherwise, the overall paper was pretty simple actually. It wasn't even much lengthy, I completed this paper in the first 2 hours, and then I was left with some questions which I marked as to do later. So that's basically it. It was pretty good paper. I liked it. Also, 2 questions were just completely repeated. I did them obviously because I don't want to lose my marks, but I would try the other ones as well. And yeah, now let's talk about the goals of 9th and 10th day and how they went. On the 9th day, I showed you guys the goals, but I didn't do any of them because that was completely filled with physics and I had to do chemistry. But I completed AC entirely, not with the textbook exercise, just the reading I completed, and then I shifted back to D and F block elements, and I completed a reading and textbook exercise of D and F block elements, and that was it for that day. Then the next day, that is yesterday, I did a lot of chemistry itself. I was live for about 9 hours and I completed every single thing. The best thing was today, there was only one topic which I didn't study from the entire syllabus, and that was stereochemistry, because I find it a bit difficult, okay? And there was only one question about stereochemistry, and it says, why does racemization occur in SN1 reactions? And now I don't know if this was a memory from when I studied it for the first time, because I've already read the chapter like thrice. So those 2 times which I did read stereochemistry. The 3rd time which I was reading in these days, I did not read stereochemistry, and I just got a memorization that, okay, dextro levo banana hai na, so I can attack from either side of the compound and just form it. And that indeed was correct. So that was just a really lucky guess, you can say, or just my memory acting, I guess. But yeah, that was that. Now, other than that, I also want to show you my paper for yesterday. It was connected. My goals were pretty lengthy. It's something like this. These things are not crossed off because I did them at the very end, and I wasn't crossing off stuff when I was doing it, but I did complete chemical kinetics as well. And textbook exercise, I couldn't look for the entire textbook exercise, but I was so lucky that they did not ask any complex questions from chemical kinetics, like from the Arrhenius equation or something. So yeah, I was lucky in this paper. Now coming on to today's goals, I'm gonna write them down right now and post them in the community section. They would just mostly be completing the derivations of physics, as many derivations as possible. I really aim to finish around derivations of first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth chapters if possible. At least fifth and sixth chapters, because they have a lot of derivations. Fifth and sixth, as in till fifth and sixth chapter, because they do have a lot of derivations in them, and I don't want to leave derivations till the end, because it then just becomes so much overwhelming, because there's so many derivations that you're like, oh my god, what do I do? But yeah, I'll just be completing derivations today in a live again from 6 to 12. So if you guys want to join, then come along. We'll be studying. And yeah, now coming to the daily checklist. In both these days, I did not do the PYQs or JEE Mains study. That's alright, because we're now almost done with our half yearlies. 2 more papers left, and then finally JEE preparation resumes again. Okay, other than that, physical activity, yes, both the days I did. I didn't go down to do some push-ups yesterday, but I did go day before, so that's about that. Meditation, yes, both the days I did meditation, and that too. Yesterday I did 5 minutes, I think, yesterday, and day before I did 10 minutes. So that's what the meditation status was. And I did not upload video on both the days, but I'm uploading them right now. So that's about it. Now I just wanted to mention about a video about me, because many people are asking me stuff like, why don't you make a video about yourself, telling us where do you prepare for stuff, like what reference books do you use, how do you exactly study, and blah blah blah. So I will record that kind of a video about me, but that would be after half yearly. So I'll be uploading that kind of a video at around 28 or 29 September, or even 1st of October probably. Alright, and one more announcement which I want to make is, many people are asking me for a YPT study group. I don't know what that is, and I saw the website, I saw the application actually, but it seemed a bit too complicated to me. So still, if you guys insist, I will do a YPT study group. Otherwise, I was thinking of making a Discord server, and yeah, we can just all come over there and chill, right? We'll have some voice channels to which we can join to study together over there as well. And we can share stuff, right? Like I share my papers with you guys, you can share your papers with other people as well. So yeah, I'll be announcing a Discord server as soon as I make one after my half yearlies are over, because I'm not making one right now. So yes, that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching today. These 2 days I've been working so hard, my mustache grew, but I'm gonna get rid of it soon now. Today I cannot, because Saturday nahi katte baal kuch bhi. ठीक है, अब पता नहीं क्यों, मगर that's what parents say. So alright. So next we have physics, and we're gonna rock physics the same way as well. I'm gonna cover up the depression made by mathematics in physics and computer science as well. I'm aiming to score full in computer science again, but I need to work for it, because computer science itna bhi easy nahi hai as we think, So yeah, but theek hai, koi baat nahi, kar lenge. But yes, for physics I have today's 6 hours, and tomorrow as well I'll study for like 9 to 10 hours, and 12 hours are probably, and we'll get done with physics as well, and the same way we'll be doing computer science. So that brings me to an end of today's video, people. Thank you so much for watching. I'll try to be regular from now on. I'm recording this right now, I'll post it right now, and then I will record one tonight as well, and we'll post it tomorrow afternoon, and then the cycle goes on just like that. Night recording, afternoon posting. So I guess that would also be easier for me in the long run. When my tuitions are on, I wouldn't have to worry about recording on at the same day, uploading the same day, and stuff like that. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Until then, keep studying, keep working hard, okay? And yeah, keep living. I was gonna say keep living better, but that just sounded so cringe in my head. I'm not gonna say that. Alright, bye people. Bye bye.